the phone is also charging. So pass-through technology. This is awesome. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For months, I've been listening to complaints from the kids about charger for their cell phones with a cable and how annoying they find it to carry in their backpack. They take the charger out and the cable is stuck or whatever. So I've been looking on different websites to find a charger, if I could. I didn't know if it existed, but a charger without a cable. And I found this Rush Charge charger. Look at that. Look at this small box. It's kind of a miracle product. I chose the Air model. There's also a Max and a Trident. I'll talk more about that in a few seconds. You can choose the colors and you can also choose the connector. This one is a Lightning, and on the box it is clear. It shows for iPhone Lightning, the same on the side. And what's unusual for a charger, at last somebody thought about that. It says at the bottom, rechargeable of course, but comes pre-charged. How many times do you buy a charger or like a battery bank and you have no clue if it's charged or not? You get home and of course the first thing you do is you charge it. This is pre-charge. So this model is 2500 milliamp hours. They say it's good for 19 hours of use. And this is it. Look at that. Look at this nice little device from Rush Charge, covered in a plastic insert here. So I'm just trying to get this out. Not sure where it starts. Probably here. There you go. There you go. I chose blue because I think I will give it to my daughter. Actually, when she saw the box, she went crazy. And this is the Lightning connector, as you see. Now look at the design. Very small, very portable. There is the cap. You cannot lose the cap, as you can see. It's held in place by this little strap, and then you just close it like that. So what else do we have in the box before I talk more about pricing? There is a card here and nothing. This is a foam at the bottom. And here we have a Rush limited warranty. They say here you can plug and charge. Okay, this is interesting. I'm going to comment on that, and a little user manual here, and I don't see anything special over here. Okay, so this has pass-through technology. So if you have this connected to your phone and you connect the charger, it will charge the bank and your phone at the same time. Then you disconnect the cable, take this, go whatever you want. Very, very nice. It's portable. Look at the size of this. You can put this in your pocket. The only thing that you should not do is have it connected to your phone. I'll have it right here. What you should not do is have it connected to your phone like that, and look at the lights here indicating the charge. You should not put this in your pocket like this, okay? That's the only thing that I don't think you should be doing. You're going to eventually break the connector. But to bring at school, to put on the table to charge on your desk or in your locker, this is amazing. And I have a cable over here, so if I plug it here, Lightning, there you go. It does indicate that it is charging. And if I turn the phone on, the phone is also charging. I'm not sure you can see that, but right there, whoops, the phone is also charging. So pass-through technology. This is awesome. So this model is $20. You can also get the, and that's US dollars. You can also get the Max model, which is, I think it's 3600. Let me double check here. Yeah, 3600 milliamp hours. And there is the Trident model. Now the Trident model has 3 connectors. So you can have micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning. If you choose for a smaller model like the Air, which is this one again, or the Max, then you have to select the connector type. So make sure you select the right connector. So guys, this is awesome. I am very, very impressed right now. Let me just disconnect the cable. I'm very impressed by the build quality. This is a rubbery surface, maybe difficult to see on camera, but rubbery surface, the nice Rush Charge logo. So very, very happy with this. The fact that you cannot lose the cap and you plug it in here and it shows the charge that you have left in the bank charger. Wow, this is amazing. And for the price, like $20. Oh, and if you live in the US, you get free delivery. No, I didn't because I am in Canada. And let me check my little sheet here. Also, when you check the website, it says, I think it says on the box also, designed in New York City with love. This is funny. They also have a good sense of humor, but it's manufactured in China, but designed in New York City with love. So guys, very, very happy with this little device. And look at the size. And it fits perfectly in the pocket because there is no rough surfaces. So it's very, very nice. So highly recommended. And as always, if any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.